Welcome to this month's Nature's Calling. I'm Lucas Bond with the Missouri Department of Conservation. Spring is finally here, and it's time to get outside to start looking for the tastiest mushrooms around, morels. Morel mushrooms are treasured both for their amazing flavor and for the fun of the hunt. Morels have a short growing season in the spring. Usually they pop up in mid-April, and the season lasts until mid-May, depending on the weather and where you are in the state. But where can you find these tasty mushrooms?
Generally speaking, woodlands and forests are the most favored spots, but sometimes you'll have people that find them in fields and field edges just as well.
Missouri has many varieties of edible and non-edible mushrooms. If you are not 100% positive of the ID, don't eat it. To help identify mushrooms, check out the Conservation Department's new publication called A Guide to Missouri's Edible and Poisonous Mushrooms. It can be found at regional offices and nature centers around the state. Once you're through mushroom hunting, take some time to enjoy Missouri's beautiful flowering trees. Even before a hint of green hits the landscape, the Show Me State's native trees fill the woods with color. Witch hazel's yellow ribbon-like flowers are the first to show color, but it's the serviceberry that announces spring is here. Serviceberry is the first that people will notice because of the big mass of white flowers. Next, look for the eye-popping masses of the pink flowering redbud, which usually peaks during April, with blooms lasting to early May. Lastly, since we celebrate Arbor Day in April, I encourage everyone to get outside and plant a tree for all Missourians to enjoy. April is a month known for spring cleaning, so why not discover nature and get your hands dirty while helping to clean the environment by joining a local stream team. For 30 years, stream team volunteers have worked to keep Missouri rivers and streams clean and healthy. Stream teams adopt portions of streams to conduct surveys and take on projects like cleanup and planting new trees. Stream teams provide opportunities for all Missourians to get involved in river conservation. Just check out their website, mostreamteam.org, to learn more about how you can take part in cleanups throughout the state.
Stream teams are groups of Missouri citizens that are passionate about our stream resources. They're cleaning up our waterways, conducting water quality monitoring, stenciling storm drains, and being a voice for our stream resources.
Currently, there are more than 5,900 stream teams around the state with more than 100,000 volunteers. For more information on morel mushrooms, flowering trees, and stream teams, visit mdc.mo.gov. Thanks for watching, and remember, nature's calling. Get out and enjoy Missouri's outdoors.